Welcome to Shark Tank India, the show where entrepreneurs pitch ideas to our investor sharks. If the sharks hear a great idea, they will invest using their own money. Who are these sharks? Chota Yadav. He built a coal empire worth billions after all his competitors mysteriously died. Brazen and controversial, he has been linked to the underworld, but it has never been proven because all the witnesses mysteriously died. Vijay Vallya is the flamboyant face of the Indian alcohol market. He has run one of the world's largest breweries. He has run a now defunct airline, and now he has run away. Ekta Kumar is the driving force behind the Saas Bahu TV revolution that has pissed off husbands all over the country. She also has a brother nobody likes. Our last shark is Steven Badra. He has good business sense but bad fashion sense. He has made many business deals, the best one being when he married a politician's daughter.
Hello Sharks, I'm Arun Gupta and I'm asking for 2 crores for 15% stake in my company.
2 crore?
Yes sir, I've invented the world's most powerful battery pack, Juice. So it's 10 times more powerful than the most powerful battery and it's 50% cheaper.
कौन सा जूस है इसमें? नारंगी, मौसमी, काजू, पिस्ता, बादाम?
No, sir, it's a metaphoric kind of juice, sir.
मेटाफोरिक कौन सा फ्रूट होता है? हाँ, पता है, it's okay.
Very impressive. I'll give you 2 crores for 25% stake. But there's a small condition. You have to add 2 Ks, 3 S's and 1 Trishul to your name. You can call it Kujusis or Kupujupujisis. Or last one, I like this the best. Kajumujupukususis. What's it?
What about the Trishul?
It's silent.
इसको देखा है पहले मैंने.
No sir. Sir, this is my original invention, sir. Sir, in fact, I've even applied for a patent for it, sir.
झूठा बोल रहा है तू?
No sir.
Lie me? तू रुक. हाँ महेश भाई, एक फोटो भेज रहे हैं. हाँ कॉपी बना.
क्या कर रहे हो सर? सर मैं बर्बाद हो जाऊंगा सर.
चुप. और सुन, I am out.
Sorry sir.
हाँ आप छपवाइए. हाँ पैसा ही पैसा है.
Hi Sharks, I'm Joy Banerjee and I'm looking for 5 crores for a 10% stake in my business called RU Cola. RU Cola is the healthiest and tastiest drink in the entire retail market. In fact, last year we did sales of 15 crore rupees.
Sales is impressive. So I would like to make you an offer.
Sir, you don't have to make an offer, sir.
What do you mean?
Sir, everybody knows you're broke.
So what? I mean, I have friends. I'll call them. Hello, Subroto. You have 15. You're in jail. Your debit card pin is the same, 1199.
Sir, sorry to say this, but isn't it too dangerous for you to be on this shoot?
Yeah, I don't know. It's fine. What rubbish, guys. I'll just go to the loo and come here. Who's this guy? F***ing idiot. Just be like, ooh la 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 la.
It's very nice. How much do you want for it?
Sir, I've already...
Yeah, I heard all of that. But you know how many government offices you'll have to go through? 12. So many permissions, NOCs, NOPs, DBS, DLF, PBC, BPR, DDD, PBS, CTPs, MBDS. And you know who knows people in all these offices?
Sir, who?
Me, I know people in all these offices.
Okay, that's great. I can offer 20%.
No.
30%?
Come on, man. Joy, man. What, man? I'm talking like your people, man.
Sir, I'm Bengali.
Suche, Joy.
45%. So that's the last I can offer. 45%.
Nah. I don't like odd numbers. 51 me, 49 you, done deal.
I've put my sweat and blood in this business, sir.
Sweat and blood are not going to get you the NOCs, NOPs, DBR, PBT, DBF, AIB, SNG, EIC. They're not going to get you that.
Sir, you want to run my company?
Of course not. I'm going to hire someone else to do it. And by the way, you're fired. Get out.
Festive season is once again around the corner. So let me ask you, in the 21st century, what is the perfect gift?
101 रुपया नगद सफेद लिफाफे में?
नहीं सर, आज के मॉडर्न जमाने में चाहिए मॉडर्न गिफ्टिंग लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स.
हाँ तो रमेश भाई की दुकान से ले लेंगे डिस्काउंट में.
नहीं सर, दीज आर ओरिजिनल फ्रॉम ताइवान.
मैडम, ताइवान के प्रोडक्ट काफी अच्छे होते हैं.
Oh, really?
With the new innovative gifter app, all you have to do is enter the name of a friend, enter a festival like Diwali, and we will tailor-make the perfect gift for them.
So what will this have?
I'm glad you asked. Products like D-Link routers, Asus cell phones, Acer laptops, and A-Data hard drives. And at the lowest price possible, directly from Taiwan. Perfect for gifting.
And bribing.
No, sir.
Acha, how much do you want for it?
Sir, I'm looking for 12% equity for a total...
Not all that. तुम्हारा cash और check का ratio क्या है?
Sir, we don't do anything in black.
Why not?
Because it's illegal.
Exactly.
हाँ तो ठीक है ना, बताओ कितना चाहिए तुमको?
Sir, I want 40 lakhs. So actually, I want 30 lakhs. 30 lakhs, sir. That's fine. 20.
अच्छा
Sir, आप कंपनी रख लो. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
Hello Sharks, my name is Ramesh Srivastav and I'm here to display this machine that I've invented. As you can see in this diagram, what my machine does is that it takes the pollution from the air and breaks it into two parts. The first part takes the oxygen and then pumps clean oxygen back into the air, and the other part takes the carbon and pressurizes it to make diamond.
हीरा, कितना पैसे चाहिए? मैं तो को देता हूँ.
Don't listen to this buffoon. Diamonds are a girl's best friend.
हे, बफून क्या होता है?
अरे बफून मतलब बंदर यार. सुन, I know everybody in all the political offices. एक फोन करूंगा ना तेरा पूरा काम सेट.
हे, शाणे फोन तो मैं भी घुमा सकता हूँ.
Shut up. I'll give you 5 crores. Okay, 5.1 crores.
What's your NEF code?
Okay,
Transfer your money right now.
Listen,
What is your
I
NEFT details?
said
What do you
I
want?
will-
Land in Gurgaon? I'll call मम्मी जी right now. मम्मी जी diamond का business आ रहा है, करा दो. Don't call us. Sharks. I have a brilliant idea. How about each of you all give me 10 crores?
Okay, so I'm going to write you a check right here.
And your bank transfer is also done.
Okay, कैश लेके जा.
Superb. So, Ramesh, my man, when can we see this diamond machine? Sir, anytime you want.
Oh, well, then just see it right now.
Yes. So, like one part is missing, so I can't show it now.
हाँ तो कल दिखा दियो.
Yeah,
No
sure.
problem. Yes, sir. Kal actually, sir, I'm going out of town, so it won't be possible. Kal. Next week. Huh? Next week. Sir, next week my dadi is going to be in the hospital, na, so I have to be there. But don't worry, this is with you. Machine will come. Yeah, my guarantee.
अरे पर dates तो block करके जा.
Are you on Facebook?
Dude.
कर ले. Hello, sir.
हो गया काम?
Yes, sir. Sir, सबके कैश चेक बैंक ट्रांसफर सर सब हो गया.
वेल डन.
थैंक यू सर. सर वो मेरा कमीशन कब मिलेगा?
अरे कमीशन मतलब रुको थोड़ा टाइम, जल्दी क्या है, मैं कहाँ भाग रहा हूँ?
नहीं सर, अभी मिल जाए.
अरे हटो.
हेलो सर.